A very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to Success EduTech. Today, we are going to know about the history and geography of Russia. It's a lesson from International Graduate Board, that is IB Board, and my name is Shipra Pani. And we will be slowly going through all the parts of this session. In further sessions, I'll be deeply discussing about the history and geography of Russia. Please like and subscribe my channel so that you will be knowing about the history and geography of Russia. Now, if you see the picture here, you can see the various forms of Russia. See the map here, the part which is painted as red is Russia. Okay, now when you see this map, also see where is Russia located and who are the neighbors like Ukraine, Kazakhstan, Belarus. These all are the neighbors of Russia, and where is Russia located, and see the seas which is around. See here, if you can see here, it is Black Sea. Okay, now let us go to some of the interesting facts of Russia. The population of Russia is 142.3 million people, and that was in 2017. And what's the capital of Russia? The capital of Russia is Moscow with 12.2 million inhabitants, and Russia is the largest city. What's the city? It's the largest city, and what's the name? It's the Russian Federation. The government of Russia is semi-presidential federation. Language spoken in Russia is Russian. The literacy rate is more than 99% of the people can read and write. The religion is Russian Orthodox 20%, Muslim is 15%, Christians is 2%. Many Russians are non-believers. Currency is ruble. 1 ruble is equal to 100 kopeka. National holiday is on 12th June. And the history is Russian Federation was created on 25th December 1991. We can know more about Russia if you see here. What is the definition of Russia? The large nation that borders Europe and Asia. What is Russia? It's a large nation. It's the largest nation, as we learned just now, and it borders Europe and Asia. And what is cathedral? It's a large building that is used for religious ceremonies. Now let us go to the next one. Is a bear, large furry animal that lives in the woods. And the guitar, it's an instrument that has strings that are plucked to make the sound. So these were the main terms. Now read each sentence and circle the vocabulary. If you remember the previous slide, we have learned about the vocabulary, the Russia, cathedral, and bear, and guitar. These were the vocabulary. That means what the maximum terms used in this lesson. So we are going to read the sentence properly, and then we are going to circle the vocabulary. Okay, now let us see the picture here and let us understand what is it. So what is the picture here? Is the picture of Russia. Russia is a big country. Now what is the vocabulary here? Is Russia. I like to watch the ballet. Ballet is the dance form used in Russia. If you can see this girl, she is performing ballet. So we are going to circle ballet. The dolls are very beautiful. Now again here it's a picture of a doll, and so what is the vocabulary used here? It is doll. I like to eat soup. What is the picture here? It's a picture of a soup, so we have to circle soup here. The bear is brown, so the picture is of a bear, so the bear is brown. Many people go to the cathedral. We have learned in the previous slide, what's a cathedral? The large buildings used. So this is the cathedral where we are going to circle it. So let's again revise. Is Russia, which we are going to circle, then ballet, then dolls, then soup, then bear, and then cathedral. Are you clear with these things? Let us go to the next one. Again, we are also practicing what we learned in the previous slide. That is, first one is already done for you. Is what is the picture here? Who can say me? Is a picture of a doll. We learned just now. So we are going to circle here doll. What is this picture? We learned in the definition also. We learned in reading the sentences, vocabulary also. What is the picture here? It's a cathedral. Okay, it's not a ballet, it's not a guitar, it's a cathedral. Then you have seen the performance in the previous slide. What is the girl performing? She's performing a ballet. So it's a dance form. So ballet you are going to match. Okay, Russia. It's not the picture of Russia. It's not the picture of the doll. Now you can also recognize this. This is a picture of a guitar. What's the picture? It's a picture of a guitar. Is it a picture of a bear? No. Is it the picture of Russia? No. It's a picture of a guitar. Now here, what's the picture? Which is this animal? This animal is a bear. It's not a doll, neither it's a dance form, ballet. Here we came with the picture of Russia. So what is it? It's Russia, guitar and cathedral. Is it guitar and cathedral? No, it's a picture of Russia. Now I have some hidden vocabulary words for you and you are going to circle it. Why we are practicing again and again the same words? Because when you are learning the lesson, you will come across these same words again and again. So I'm explaining, I am giving you different quizzes, different puzzles on the same thing so that you will be accustomed with the same words. Now cathedral is already done for you. If you see here, cathedral is already done for you. Doll. Where is doll? Who can find out? See here, I circled it. D-O-L-L, doll. Russia? Yes, here it is. R-U-S-S-I-A, Russia. Soup? Where is soup? Where is soup? Okay. Who can say me where is soup? Yes, we got it. S-O-U-P, soup. Okay. Next is ballet. We have done here, see here, it's ballet, then it's a guitar, then it's a bear, and then it's a hat. Okay, so we got all the words. Now we have completed the vocabulary words. We have completed the definition. We have read the sentences. We have underlined. We have circled. We have done everything about Russia. So we will be learning in my next session about the history of Russia. So join me in the next session. Please like, subscribe and comment in the comment box whether you like my session or not. And please join me in the next session to know about the history and geography in the further sessions. And please do subscribe my channel. Thank you and have a nice day.